Yo,
Hey!
yo. Guys, we just hit 35
Oh my god.
subscribers. Clap it up. I know that to some of you, that's not as impressive. You know, on your first video, you had like 5 million views. That's cool. Here we grow at our own pace. Okay, we're growing at our own pace. This is progress. This is the very first upload of 2022. I hope you guys are having a good new year. I hope your New Year's was good. I hope your Christmas was good. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Merry New Year.
Nah, B.
Anyway, look, this isn't a tutorial.
Huh?
Hold
No!
on. But you're going to see more videos like this one
Please, no!
on the channel. I'm aware that not everyone on this channel is an artist. I'm aware that some people have just started their art journey, and so they chose this community. They chose this community to start their journey, and I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading yet. I know you guys saw that there was some consistency in the beginning, and then yeah. But guys, I've been really busy. Um, I've been working. This video you're watching right now is it's a wallpaper slash comic book cover um, for the comic book that I've been working on with some really cool people. This is the cover or wallpaper. I'm not sure on the details yet. I'm pretty sure I've butchered the details already. But anyway, guys, 35 subscribers. That's huge. Um, I never told anyone on my socials that I had a YouTube channel. I told a few people who knew me. I told them, hey, I have a channel, check it out. I have a channel, check it out. Maybe 4, 5 people. You know yourselves. Thank you for subscribing. But yeah, I just wanted to grow organically. I didn't want to. Anyway, what am I saying? Tutorials are coming up. Okay, tutorials are coming up. Now, I'm aware that not everyone here is an artist, but everyone is welcome in the zoo community. The zoo community is for you, it's for everybody. So, this type of content, you will see it more often. It'll just be about you and me just talking, just hanging out, you and me. And we will see more diverse content as we go along. Like reactions. You guys will give me video suggestions, and you tell me what you want me to make, whether it be tutorials or reactions or whatever. Just you know. But I will announce on a few programs that we're going to be having on the channel. I have it all set up. But anyway, I just wanted to thank each and every single one of you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the zoo. Welcome. Feel free. This community is for everybody. Okay. Thank you to each and every one of you guys who shared my videos. Thanks to each and every one of you guys who liked, who took their time to like a video, who took their time to watch the video. Thank you to everyone who found the video useful, informative. Thank you guys. Really, this is huge.
Pause!
35 subscribers is a really impressive marker for me. I created this channel as a form of escapism because I discovered that I find it more satisfying when I'm drawing for other people. I find it satisfying to teach people a few things. I find it satisfying and humbling, especially the humbling part. I find it really humbling, really satisfying to make these tutorials and have people say that they found the information useful. I really appreciate that. I'm thankful for that. And but anyway, back to the content, guys. Here are a few videos coming up. I will upload the anatomy basics part 2. I never really finished like the bottom part of the body, like the pelvis going down, like the proportions and whatnot. I never finished on that one. I got a request on foreshortening. I know a lot of you guys struggle with the foreshortening one, like drawing a limb that's pointing straight at the camera, like maybe someone pointing at the camera and whatnot. You struggle. You struggle with making it look natural, and I can help with that. I can help with that. I promise you I can help with that. Thank you for being a part of the zoo. This community is for me and you. I didn't mean to rhyme, but it happened. Thank you, guys. I cannot say it enough. Anyway, more content coming up. I'm back. Though I never really left, but I'm back. There will be more consistency. A lot more videos like this one. But you have to let me know if you guys want to see more of this, where I can tell you about myself, or I don't know, you can ask me anything and we'll just talk. You can send me questions, you can comment the questions down below, you can comment video suggestions down below, and you can ask me to critique your work. If you're an artist, sure, feel free. You can send me your some of your art in my inbox on my IG. Link will be in the description. Send me some of your work and then I will critique it to the very best of my abilities. I won't promise to be nice, but it will be good for you, I promise. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe if you haven't already. The goal is to hit at least 40 subscribers before the end of February. 40 subscribers, that's it. Just 40. So if there is by any chance that there's someone watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It's free. And leave a like while you're at it. Why would you stick out this long if you weren't interested? So if you want to see more content like this, leave a like. Anyway, I didn't intend on making this video long. I will check you guys out on the next one.
I love you.